OFW ka ba at pauwi na this month of April? By the way, sa lahat po ng mga kababayan ko dyan na pauwi na this coming month of April 1, 2024, yun nga po meron na pong bagong update si Bureau of Immigration dito sa Pinas. Paano nga po ba i-download? Yun nga po, so watch this video and I will show you the different steps on how to use it, and at the same time po, once you registered, at the same time, yun na po yung gagamitin natin, and I will show you how to use it sa e-gates natin para po makalabas kayo sa immigration.
First thing you have to do is to download the app through Apple or Google Play Store. Right after nyo ma-download, pwede kayo mag-register through your PH number or email address. Ginawa ko na lang is email address ginamit ko para mas mabilis yung response sa email. Minsan kasi pag sa number may konting delay pa due to signal interruptions. May marireceive kayo pala na email code, which means na makakapag-register ka na. Madali lang siya guys, para ka lang naman nagsa-sign up ng new account sa social media nyo. So ito na siya. Yan yung pinaka-output ng app pag login nyo. Makikita nyo rin pala yung mga LGUs, jobs and tourisms, dito pati yung mga services rin natin, nasa baba lang siya. Pwede nyo din i-click yan para makita nyo. Explore the app lang guys and it's very easy to navigate. Ayan guys, next step, let's verify our account now with your basic information such as name, birthday, address mo sa Pinas, and phone number. After that step, it will be the selfie. Sundan nyo lang guys kasi hindi nyo rin mag-pick dyan ng pa-side view and mag-blink ng mata. Kaya it might take a few minutes to finish. Yan na pala yung magiging profile photo mo after that lalabas na yung pinaka-result ng registration mo with the QR code. Kapag pala nakapagpa-register na kayo guys sa National ID, lalabas din dito yung basic information nyo. Click nyo lang yung nasa baba. After natin ma-register yung account natin, balik tayo sa home and click natin yung travel. Then input mo lang dun kung Philippine passport ka or foreign. And kung air passenger ka ba or by sea. Lagay mo rin if land-based ka ba or sea-based. Then after that, lalabas na yung QR code mo. By the way guys, sa e-gates pala yun na yung gagamitin mo para makatawid sa immigration, either passport or the boarding pass. In case magkaroon po kayo ng any problem, nandiyan naman po mga immigration officer natin to assist. Ayun guys, at least this will help to lessen the queue and rooms of improvements na rin natin for us na makasabay sa ibang modern countries. If you think na nakatulong ako with this video, please save this video and share it po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na pauwi ng Pinas starting this month of April 2024. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos guys. Stay safe!